which is coming in. Amid the delimitation showdown that we have seen between the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and the centre, now you have the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin batting for more kids in the state. That's right. Chief Minister Stalin and DMK Chief has now given a bizarre theory amidst the delimitation showdown. The Chief Minister is now battling for people to have more children. He says more kids will ensure to more population, and this in turn will lead to the state getting more MPs as well in the parliament. Well, listen in.
உங்களெல்லாம் குழந்தைகளை நீங்கள் பெற்றுக்கொள்ள வேண்டாம், அவசரப்பட வேண்டாம், கொஞ்சம் பொறுமையாக இருங்க என்று சொல்லிக் கொண்டிருந்தோம். இப்போ சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியம் வரல, சொல்லக்கூடாது இப்போ. ஏன்னா மக்கள் தொகை அடிப்படையில் இடஒதுக்கீடு அந்த நாடாளுமன்ற எண்ணிக்கை வரும் என்று சொல்லுகிற நேரத்தில் நமக்கு எண்ணிக்கை மக்கள் தொகை அதிகம் இருந்தால்தான் எம்பிக்கள் அதிகம் வரும் என்ற நிலை இன்றைக்கு உருவாகி இருக்கு. ஆனால் நாம் குடும்ப கட்டுப்பாட்டில் கவனம் செலுத்தி அதில் வெற்றி கண்டோம். அதனால் இந்த நிலை நமக்கு ஏற்பட்டிருக்கிறது. ஆனால் இப்போ யாரும் உங்களுக்கு குழந்தைகள் நீங்கள் அவசரப்பட்டு பெற்றுக்கொள்ள வேண்டாம் என்று நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். உடனடியாக பெற்றுக்கொள்ளுங்கள். ஆனால் பெறக்கூடிய குழந்தைகளுக்கு அழகான தமிழ் பெயர்களை சூட்டுங்கள். அதுதான் என்னுடைய வேண்டுகோள். தமிழ் பெயர்களை சூட்டி தலைவர் கலைஞர் அவர்கள் இந்த தமிழ் மொழிக்கு செம்மொழி என்கிற அந்தஸ்தை பெற்று தந்திருக்கிறார்கள். ஆக அப்படிப்பட்ட செம்மொழியில.
Well, let me go across to Varshini, who's joining us from Chennai. Varshini, can you explain the entire rationale that the Chief Minister has given, appealing to people in Tamil Nadu to have more kids? Of course, earlier in the day, he has spoken about give them Tamil names. He's talked about ensuring that they guard their culture, all well and good. But now, to have more children, what's the context?
Well, the context here, his Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin, was attending a marriage function of one of the DMK party's Nagapattinam district secretary's family function. And during the marriage function, he was giving a speech and he was speaking, addressing the couples. He was talking to them about how, previously we used to say, do not be very fast in having children, take time to figure things out. But now the situation is completely changed. We can't tell you not to have kids immediately, because right now with the situation that is prevailing in the country, having more children is the only option for Tamil Nadu to ensure that we have proper representation in the parliament. Because since Tamil Nadu was very successful in having family planning procedures and system in place, and that is why we have now controlled the population when it comes to it is comparing to other states. But now that is the main reason why we are going to lose representation in the parliament. We are going to lose some seats, and that is why he is batting for the newly married couples to have more children, because that would eventually pave way for more seats in the parliament, is what his speech was about. And that is the context that we are looking at here. And even in the recent past, in a few events last week or even prior to that, this is something that the Chief Minister is reiterating when it comes to the delimitation. And now he's also called for an all-party meeting that is set to happen in a couple of days. So we'll have to wait and see where this issue that the Chief M.K. Stalin is talking about.
Every way to try and stop delimitation process. He's been an open critic of the entire process. But now, imagine the Chief Minister saying have more kids so that we can get more MPs through in the parliament. Well, what if every Chief Minister of the state gives out that advice to their people? Well, we'll have to wait and see how politically this one develops. Thank you so much, Varshini, for getting us those details. With that, a short break. Don't go anywhere. We return in 2 minutes.